Hello, my beautiful friends. So, I have tons of stuff to unbox with you today, but the first was magical mail that just absolutely touched my heart. Spirit knew that I needed a little pick me up. And so, my new friend Alicia sent me a card, which is beautiful. And then she wrote a beautiful message in, which is personal, but she had been on the beach in Mexico and she picked up a little stone for me. And I love stones from all over the world. So when people go on vacation, like when my staff goes on vacation and they, always say like, oh, I'll bring you a magnet. I'm like, no, don't pay any money. You have to bring me something back that costs nothing. And I like stones. So I have stones from Iceland and now I have stones from Mexico. I'm so excited. This is a teeny little box. So cute. Like she knows how to use the washi tape, and I have a lot of it because I aspire to use washi tape. But this is a little stone, and so I'm going to add it to my rune bag so that it's part of my little rune bag. So now I will have one day I'm going to fill up my whole bag with stones from all over the world. And there's other cute things in here too. So thank you. I really needed it. I went to band practice tonight and played pipes and for a solid hour straight, and that was some therapy right there. And then I just want to show you that this cool wax seal that she has. Um, I love wax seals. I think they're so cool. So I didn't want to break it. So I'm gonna cut it off so I can put it in my journal. So thank you so much. I got the box that we don't name because Hestia had a bad experience with them. But I think it's funny that it's like there's stuff hanging out of it. So I got snookered too into 2 more months or 3 more months after the end of my subscription also. But I hadn't been with Goddess Provisions very long, so I didn't mind as much because first of all I hadn't paid for a year. I had only paid for 3 months. But also I didn't think I'd get a lot of duplicates because I hadn't been with them that long. So so it was fine. It was fine for me. And I do like their stuff. I think they have great stuff. I'm disappointed in how Hester was treated. And so, Hester's my friend, and I think businesses should, do the right thing. I think ethics is a huge thing. And I think there's so much criticism about our community to begin with that you don't want to be part of that criticism, that you're only out for a money grab. Clearly she made her intentions known that she didn't want to stay with the box. Her money should have been refunded. I was fine keeping it because I don't have a lot of their stuff, so I wasn't going to get a lot of repeats. But she had a yearly subscription and I did not. So, but anyway, so here is what I received. I really do love a lot of their stuff. So, live from the heart, which I actually really like that. Guardian of Love box. So I don't know if this box is a Guardian of Love box. But I do like this card. My husband was a cardiac technologist before he retired. So he's gonna like it too. He's gonna like that there's a little heart on there. All right. So what do we have in here? We have Goddess Gems. I feel like I did get this before. I might not have gotten it from them, though. But we'll see. We'll see what's in here. Got it. I can't get it open because it's covered in plastic. That's fine. Unused plastics. Bane of my existence is what that is. Connecting with crystals. Manifesting with crystals. I did get this before, but I don't know that I got it with Goddess Provisions. But I do like heart-shaped rocks. I like heart-shaped anything. So even if I did get this before, I still like it anyway, second time. So I think mine is up on my desk. But I might gift this one to somebody. Let's see what else we have here. We have, this is an interesting little necklace. So, I mean, I really do like their stuff, and I was sad that they got rid of the subscription box because I was new to it, so I feel like I missed all the really good boxes. But this is a pretty necklace. I don't have any clue what it is. And part of the problem with them not having the subscription box anymore is that I don't think the card describes what's actually in my box. So I have absolutely no idea what this is, but it's like the moon, I guess, around, I'm assuming that's obsidian. Um, the chain is a little bit, oh, it's a crystal ball necklace, obsidian. Says it right there. Oh, thank God. Um, I have to switch off all necklaces because this chain would never withstand this hair. But that's really cool, and I probably wouldn't wear it because I'm real specific about the necklaces that I wear, but I could totally see gifting this to Sadie, who is the benefactor of all my witchy things that I don't like, or that I won't wear. It's not that I don't like it, it's just that, you know, I'm real intentional about the necklaces I wear. So, as you all know, because we took a vote, and the girls in the group know why I don't wear the necklace that I chose not to wear anymore. Okay, what's this? This is adorn your letter with a dash of magic. I get to do a stamp too. Spirit's like, you need one of these too. So excited. I do actually have a stamper. So if you don't know this, I live on the Appalachian Trail in northeastern Pennsylvania, and I allow through hikers and along what we call slashes, or we have all kinds of names for them, but long distance section hikers, which is what I am. I allow them to stay in my yard for free. And so I have actually, some of them bring books by that they want stamps from. So one of the people who stayed with me actually made me a stamp. And the name of my place, I'm not an official hostel because I don't charge. And I don't charge on purpose. Like, I don't want to make any money from it. Sort of like Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Like, I want people to see goodness in the world. And if people donate money, it goes out to a project for to put veterans on the trail in different adventures. So but anyway, so somebody who stayed with me made me a stamper for that. So this is cool. Oh, it's like an eye though. I'm not an eye person, but I might pretend to be one because it's like a stamper. That is cool though. I mean, that's a legit cool stamper. It's got the moon on it and the eye. That's cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty cool. And like I said, I haven't gotten any of this stuff before, so. Okay, we got this rock. I got this rock before. So I got that before. So I'll give this one to Sadie. And then the last thing, I don't know what this is. Cool looking though. It could be a pillowcase. Could be anything. Anything could be in this bag. Diapers, pants, panties for Kelly. Oh, it's a pillowcase. It's a cool pillowcase. Oh, it's an eye pillowcase though. Not a huge fan of the eye thing. I don't know why, but I just am not called to it. But that's super pretty. I like this part of it. The moon and the star. I like that. And I don't have it. I haven't gotten this before. So that's something new that I haven't received. So, you know, I think, you know, like I said, I've not been a member of Goddess Provisions for long. I don't mind that I got a second set of gems because I like them. The cauldron necklace is cool, but that's going to get regifted. And, but I like the card. You know, I like the card. Dave will like that card. It's got a heart on it. So, that's cool. And, you know, I have one more box. I think I have February's box yet coming. And then I have multiple emails saying that I am not renewing because I'm not, so that I can get another box. So I have one more box to open. I'm going to go grab it real quick. I'll be right back. So this is stuff from Witch Casket that I bought off their website from their Emporium. So this isn't a subscription box. These are just things that I bought. And so things that are from previous boxes that I really, really liked. So first thing is a mystery bag. I can't remember what I bought. But I will say the shipping was pretty fast because I just ordered this stuff. This is a Witch Casket exclusive. And it is... I have no idea what. Oh, this is a gift from them. Hope you enjoy your magical items. Sending love, Deb and Ella. How beautiful is that? And it's like a little... I love their art. Like, I seriously love their art. And what's in here? Oh, a little pin that says Boss Witch. So, and I am a boss, so totally wearing that to work for my next meeting. Oh, this is Witch Casket Gray Adventuring Chips. So that's cool. And then Blue Mallow Flyer Love Protection. Use in incense ritual baths. Oh, Blue Mallow Flower. I might have ordered this. Maybe not. I don't know if I ordered this or not. But that's cool. That's super, super cool. So, I bought little pink candles. I think they're spell candles. This is my favorite color. So, when I saw these, I was like, oh, they have little candles in my favorite color. They're so cute. I do these little ones. They're super cute. So, I got them because they were super cute. But they're going to go on my in-bulk altar. That's what I got them for. I was hoping this would arrive in time for me to build my in-bulk. Let's see. This is... no idea what I ordered. I think I would know. Oh, this is a self-love box. And what is in it? I don't even remember. I know what this is. I thought this was so cool. Oh, it came with like little sticky stuff too. This is so beautiful. I love little boxes and I love hearts. So this, I got this and it's beautiful. If you've watched the channel, you might know or not know that I have wedding rings, but I don't wear them because I don't really believe in them. I think they show ownership, and Dave and I agree that we don't own each other, but we have them, of course. And so I bought this to put our wedding rings in together. Because we have them, and we have worn them. We don't wear them regularly. I don't think I could even know when I wore mine last. Probably like 10 years ago. Probably doesn't fit because I was skinny when I got married. And then I had babies, which is his fault. But this is like Christmas in this bag right here. I just love their stuff. I love that they use purple on everything. It just makes me so happy. I got some candles. This is wax. This was the wax. And I don't know, it was super cool. And it's like there's purple and there's black. I don't know if you can see there's like a design there. But it's sealing wax. And I thought, like, that's really cool because now I have friends to send things to and write stuff to. My sister group. And I'm going to try. We know what happened with the painting though, so... oh, I got this little pouch. I just thought it was super cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I just liked it. And what's this? It's like a whole bag full of goodies. Oh, I got the shadow work journaling box. I'm all about shadow work. Everything smells good too. I don't know why, but oh. Shadow work journaling box. This beautiful box comes with a series of shadow work prompt cards. So, I'm an English professor, so we love prompts. And there aren't many of them, but there's some, and they get you thinking. And of course, you can make your own and put them in here. And I love that idea. I run a hiking group for people over 40, and one of the hikes that I do is a theme. I do a lot of different theme hikes. I do a caroling hike at the holidays, and one of them I do is a journaling hike, so I will use that. So that's super cool. All right, and this is Oh, this is cool. This is, you can put your chime candle here and your incense stick here. And I got this to go with those pink candles. So that's what I got there. And then I got this thing. I just thought this was the coolest thing ever. I don't know if you can see it, but you put a tea light in here, and then you can hang it from a wall. And so that's going to go on my altar, because I love leaves, I love trees. So that is super, super cool. These are all cool things I found that were on in the, I don't know if it's like the Emporium or the shop. I don't know what they call it, the Emporium or the shop. And I think that should be everything. Oh no, there's more. Oh yes, I got incense. This is Joyous Memories incense. Oh, it smells so good. They're incense. I don't know where they get it or who makes it, but I've used all the other bergamot stuff. It's like so fabulous. Like they're really fabulous. Oh, there's more incense. I got Spiritual Connections. Oh, that smells good too. I know. Like I'm here. You sniff it. You sniff it too. So sniffy good. This one is Spiritual Growth. I really can't smell that one through the box, although my nose might be just filled with the other ones. And this one is, this is Bergamot and Mint. I can't smell this one either. I think my nose is sniffed out, but this is for house cleansing. So I love their incense, so I got some more of that. And then I have, oh, they sent me, I ordered one, the blue mallow flower, and they sent me one as a gift, which is awesome. That is super, super awesome. I think that's everything. There's packing peanuts. Not entirely crazy about packing peanuts, except that my cats do play with them. So there was everything that I had ordered, and then my gift. Oh, a clue that's a free gift with love from us to you. I really do love Witch Casket. I really will say, like, I super, super love, even their shipping isn't unreasonable either for being international. And then I don't read the box, like, when it comes, because they have to list everything for customs. Fun fact, you can bring 6 bottles of whiskey back from Scotland. I didn't know that. I only brought 3. The customs guy was like, you could have had 3 more. I'm like, turn the plane around. Let's go back. So, started with this my beautiful gift from Alisia. Thank you. And then I really was very happy with everything from Goddess Provisions. I have 1 more month with them. But, some duplicates of things I have, but still, it's okay. And then I love this stuff from Witch Casket. I mean, I picked it out, so, stands to reason. But even their gifts were just tremendous. And so I'm so blessed to have these beautiful things to look at. And now I have to find a place to put them all. Ha! We'll see what happens there. So I am wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.